Hey guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477, Super 7. Today, I'm going to be talking about escape analysis and scalar replacement. So, Java creates millions of objects per second, right? But thanks to a JVM optimization called escape analysis, many of those objects never actually get allocated. I'll show you how. If the JVM sees that an object never escapes a method, meaning no other method can access it, it replaces it with simple local variables. This optimization is a scalar replacement, and it makes allocation basically free. Let's do a quick code example. Give me a second. So we don't need to import anything today. So public class name. So we're gonna have a point class in our main class. So static class point. As you know, a point takes in. Wait, why is this not? Okay. As you know, a point takes in two values for x and y. So y. Now that we're done with our point class, we can move on. So main method. Having an arbitrarily not long number here to show you guys how it works. You could replace it with pretty much any negative number. This frame for the code, it runs pretty similarly to the previous video. If you haven't checked that out, you might want to. It's supposed to be long, sorry. Now we can move on to our our compute method. Alright, so our code's done. So, similar to the last video, you have to actually run a command to see the Java virtual machine show the optimization. So I'll just give you guys the command. Alright, so here's the command. So this optimization is essentially why Java, it can handle functional code and millions of short-lived objects without tanking its performance. It's invisible to the unbeknownst user, but it's really powerful if you know how to actually use it. Thank you guys for watching Super 7 programming video, and see you next time.